Dino's sock case. A vibrant bedroom adventure. Toy Dino. Detective. Dino solves mysteries. Dino. Sharp claws. Toy box. Dino sniffs air in cluttered room. Strange mystery unfolds. Dino senses it. He'll solve the mystery. Lint. Unusual investigation. Dino's scent adventure begins. Dino recoils from the smelly laundry. Dino's clue. Yuck. Laundry basket. Flashlight reveals bed's secrets. Chewed sock. A secret's trace. Slow motion. Dog chews sock. Suspicious bite marks. Dino mused. Dino grills Rufus, the toy dog. In a sunny bedroom, Dino demands, Rufus truth. Cool Rufus, couch clue. Dino finds colorful socks. Just as victory seems assured, Rufus the dog emerges, proudly brandishing yet another sock in a playful challenge. Dino roars. Dynamite! Socks saved.